Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get this video started, if you're not subscribed to the channel already, go ahead and subscribe, hit that bell button, and if you like the video, smash that thumbs up button. In this video, we're going to recharge the customer's AC system. Before we get that started, we're going to get it all hooked up here. And make sure you find where your line sets are located. There's your high side right there with the black cap. We're going to remove it next. There's your low side with the cap already been removed. Now we got the line caps removed. We're going to get our lines and gauges and get it all hooked up. Alright guys, we got the gauges hooked up here. Now we're going to install the quick disconnects and hook them to the lines and run a vacuum on the system. Alright guys, once you got your lines all hooked up here, check your gauges, make sure everything's currently turned off. Get the lines and everything, get the canister with your Freon connected, and let's start purging the system. Alright guys, once you get it hooked up here, start vacuuming in the system. Let the system take the Freon, and we'll sit there and get the system filled. Alright guys, let's say you sit there and recharge the system until you get the system full of the Freon. And make sure you vacuum the air out of the system completely. All the air and potentially old oil and debris, and air particles. Alright guys, we're just checking the system here. And now we're going to check for leaks. Alright guys, hope you find that video useful on how to recharge your air conditioning system and where the ports are located on a GMC and a Silverado, your pickup trucks. Y'all have a great day.